Hey guys, my name is Malte Marten. I am a handpan teacher and player, and today I'm gonna show you this pattern. This is a very beautiful, mellow, uplifting pattern, meditative kind of style. It's very well suitable to the pattern that I have shown you a couple of weeks ago. And yeah, let's dive into it. The pattern is based on 3 chords. One of those 3 chords is played twice to make it 4 again, because we always want to have like a loop of 4 chords. The first chord is 4 and 6. The second chord is 1 and 3. And the third and fourth chord is 2 and 4. Those notes are actually played with the left hand now. So 4, 6, 1, 3, and 2, 4 are the notes that we're gonna play with our left hand. Our right hand plays the 2 notes above, so next to the 2 tone fills that we play with the left hand. So 4, 6, left hand, 8, 9, right hand on the first chord. 1, 3, left hand, 5, 7, right hand on the second chord. And then we have 2 and 4 with the left hand, and 6 and 8 with the right hand on the third and fourth chord. And all we're going to do now is to play a hand-to-hand pattern, and both hands play with each stroke another note. So my right hand always jumps between 8, 9, then 5, 7 on the next chord, and 6 and 8 on the last chord. And my left hand starts on 4 and 6, plays both notes after each other, same on 1 and 3, and then 2 and 4. And now we're gonna move our hands always in a hand-to-hand pattern. We are starting on the lower note with both hands. So I play 8, 4, 9, 6, 8, 4, 9, 6. Okay? If this is sounding very complicated to you, you can just click the link in the description. There is a well-prepared PDF with the pattern written down, some information about the scale and so on. So you will have a very, very nice description on the paper, in the paper format, so that you can always have a look and ensure that you're playing the right thing. So let's start to practice this pattern together. 8, 4, 9, 6, 8, 4, 9, 6, 8, 4, 9, 6, 8, 4, 9, 6, 5, 1, 7, 3, 5, 1, 7, 3, 5, 1, 7, 3, 5, 1, 7, 3, 6, 2, 8, 4, 6, 2, 8, 4, 6, 2, 8, 4, 6, 2, 8, 4, 6, 2, 8, 4, 6, 2, 8, 4, 6, 2, 8, 4, 6, 2, 8, 4. Wonderful. So this might sound very complicated, but I am sure that with enough concentration, you will unlock this very quickly, because actually we are just bouncing between 2 notes with both hands. The 4 notes are all next to each other, so this is actually quite easy to remember. You have to get the chords in first. You need to memorize the chords very well in order to, like that you don't have to ask yourself, okay, which notes am I actually playing? And then you always remember that you are starting with the right hand, on the lower note, and then you follow with the left hand on the lower note, and then you go up with both hands and back and forth. And now I want to show you how to combine those two patterns, the pattern of this video and the pattern that I have shown you a couple of weeks ago. So they fit very well together. It might take you a bit time to figure out which tempo they are in, and what can help you here is a metronome or like a backing track or like a play along or whatever. By the way, there are plenty of play alongs in my Handpan Fundamentals course, alongside a huge pattern library where you will learn like over 60 patterns for the D chord 10, have like 150 learning videos in total, like a huge comprehensive course. All of that you can find in my description. And yeah, I'm very curious to hear your feedback. How does this pattern make you feel? Is it easy for you to play? Is it challenging? What are your experiences with this pattern and also with the previous videos? I'm curious, so let me know. And we see each other with another video. All the best.